Here's how you create a modern and aesthetic travel poster in Canva, perfect for promoting destinations, events, or just showing off your latest trip. Start by opening your Canva account, then click on Create right here, and pick any canvas size that fits your poster style. Now once you have your blank canvas, head on to Uploads and choose a photo of your travel destination. Go to Elements and add a square shape. Adjust its size and color to match the tone and mood of your travel image. Then position it at the bottom of the canvas. This is where we'll place the text later on. Next, head on to Elements once again, and in the search bar, type in Rectangular Blur. Choose the one that gives a soft, blended effect and drag it onto your canvas. Adjust the size so it blends naturally with the square below. Then select both elements and change the color to something that complements your background. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. Now let's add some text. Click on the text tab right here and add a heading. Then type your travel destination or a catchy phrase. Now what you want to do is to change the font style to match the vibe of your poster and adjust the color so it stands out on the background. Now position the title on another font right above the blur effect. Then add smaller text for details underneath. And finally, add some lines or dividers from the Elements panel to give the layout more structure and visual balance. And that's it. That's how you make a travel poster in Canva clean, stylish, and beginner-friendly. Don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.